Hi, nice to meet you. You can call me Betty. I'm praying for my friends down in Pasadena. We should pray for all of our friends down in California. Okay, let's cut some rocks. I got out my microscope this week to take a closer look at some of these rocks, and I put those photos at the end of the video. This particular rock has a vug that I got a closer look at, and there's just some really interesting features in some of these rocks. I haven't found very many crystals out while I'm rock hounding, so whenever I find a vug, I'm super excited. This one has a couple cute ones, and it's a really beautiful little quartz nodule. It's also another rock that looks like a cool set of eyeballs. I love all of the rocks. Let's take a look at rock number 2. I thought that this was going to be an agate, and I decided to cut it lengthwise. Um, it's not an agate, I don't think. I don't know what it is. It's got really neat micro minerals in it, and I took some good pictures, so maybe one of you can let me know. I dig it. It's cool. It just sort of looks like porcupine, or I don't know, bristly. What is it? Okay, let's take a look at rock number 3. I picked this rock up at Hampton Butte, so I know it's a little piece of petrified wood. It is typically they have a lot of green petrified wood up there. This piece is mostly white, you'll see here in a second, but it's beautiful. I absolutely want to go back to Hampton Butte. There's a lot of beautiful material there, and I love petrified wood. Okay, rock number 4. I don't know what this rock is, but it's got some pretty neat stripes. I'm sure it's sedimentary, first of all, but really neat stripes. And when I zoomed in on this on the microscope, it has really neat little minerals in it. And hopefully, one of the smart micro mineral people will help me identify it. The little piece of petrified wood, I wanted to try to cut a slab off of it. So here's me cutting a little slab off of that rock. A friend of mine asked me about where she could buy slabs, and I'm not really sure where to tell her to go. I mean, we can all go to the gem shows, but if anybody watching has slabs for sale, let me know in the comments and I'll send them to her. Here's my little slab. Not too bad. I put pictures of the rocks at the end of the video and some microscope photos for you guys too. I can't wait to cut the next rock. See you soon.